guys, I mean, you got like some beautiful simplicity, and I just, same thing laid out so many different ways, but I find that, when it's laid out in different ways and having stuff like this, and yeah, it gives you a really cool understanding of, how things are just flowing, and, with different setups and different filters and things like that, you're just getting different results. And next up here is a little product by NB Audio, Daedalus, and it's very cool. Definitely, we our last one that we talked about, I joked at the very end there about not having any, some Aftertouch control, and lo and behold, on this one here, the bottom right there, you can see here that we've got some Aftertouch control. And definitely in the beginning, you could hear a little bit me controlling a little bit of that there. Let's go ahead and swiggle it a little bit. Yeah, so I mean, fun, right? Stuff like that was just really cool. I don't know. I mean, if you had a MIDI controller back then that took that in, it was really nice for you. Little things like that made a big difference and really set you apart. And I really think it still does. Use that stuff. And think outside the box when you're linking it to things, especially with an Ableton. And I can think of definitely some more routing capabilities within some of the other dolls too. I'm pretty sure some FL's got some. I think they just got a new update for themselves too, right? Shout out for you guys. Some cool looking things in there for you guys. So, but here we are looking at this thing, and it's pretty kind of cut and dry here. Just another tool for your arsenal and just things to play with here. And we can see we have some generators up here, 1 and 2. And we've got the mixer here, ring modulation, high pass filter, going into some LFO 1 and 2, and some controls. Yeah, I mean, it's, all these things kind of going together. VCO envelopes, arpeggiator here, and some effects down there, and then our little MIDI control area here. Let's go ahead and see what they got in the lineup here for us here. Monophonic Solo 1. Love it. Yeah, definitely, and with the Aftertouch there, you get a little expressive, and like I said, I would like to link that maybe to a few other things. All right, so let's check out what are we. I really like that, so let's check out the second one. I mean, if that was good. Some what do we have down here? So let's check out the Aftertouch. What is that clicked on? Mix. All right. Okay. What else did I wanted to do there? Monophonic Solo. Let's check out some strings. That first one was almost kind of stringy. rocks. Random. It's definitely random. High pass envelope here. I mean, the thing sounds like it has dirty pots, you know, like potentiometer on that thing is messed up on, on a virtual instrument. Is it just me, or did you guys hear that? That's just me, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. Hey, but there was a couple of cool sounds that were in there, and Dirty Daedalus, man. You know, what can you say about that? You know, not the best thing in my arsenal, but I would definitely get some use out of this for sure. And depending on what is in your arsenal, you could definitely be excited to have something like this for sure. And you know, it's definitely a good tool. And you know, nothing to write home about, but it's still cool. It's in the arsenal. It did make it in the list. We're going to talk about it. It's a pretty cool little thing. The filter sounded kind of weird to me, and would I use it on some things? For sure. Those two sounds, the solos, were really super cool. So, yeah, you guys can go check this out. You can find these on VST Planet, VST Warehouse, VST for free. And, yeah, go check it out. And the next one we'll be talking about is the Double 6. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.